Welcome to King of the Fish. We're back down here at Hartley Lands Fishery in Kent. I've just finished fishing with Jason yesterday and that video will be uploaded as well, so check that video out. Today we're fishing for carp at Hartley Lands. We are on Bramley Lake. We've seen a couple of fish show already, so we've just got it all set up and everything since it's raining as well. I'm just getting my mixture ready for what I'm putting out as well. I'm just using high impact ground bait. This is my main line. It's got a sort of fruity smell to it. I'm also drugging that in 30ml liquid by sticky bait. And as you can see here, this is a nice mixture. Just add a little bit more ground bait into that. But that's nearly ready to go, and that's just going to go into PVA mesh bags. So I'm going to get this all sorted, get my 2 rods out there, and hopefully we have a fish soon on the bank.
Here we are, cooking the barbecue. Nothing on it. Look nice. Vintage cheddar burgers. Cheese. Cornish cream for tomorrow with the chocolate muffins. Can't wait for that. That's going to be cool. We've got bagels, so we're going to do sausage bagels and bacon bagels and cheese and egg, because we've got eggs. We've got about 20 eggs. Really love kebabs. We'll have a lamb night. We'll have lamb burgers and lamb kebabs. Yeah.
Sounds a bit sheepish to me.
That one on the left, that's it.
It's raw! You're gonna kill somebody!
So we've just had our barbecue, we've just finished eating. We're just about to settle down to sleep. Hopefully we catch a fish in the night and we have to get up. But for now, all 4 rods are out, they're all set, they're primed. Let's hope we get fish in the night.
So we're both asleep. So we're both asleep. My island rod has roared off. I put about 30-40 boilies over it earlier when we arrived. It's gone, and I've got £20 carp coming. I thought Jamie was asleep, but he's awake next to me. He's too cold to come out the bivvy. So I'll show you this. If he wants to. There you are. Nice common carp, 30-40 it is. Raining, windy, just about to get to sleep. Jumped up, ran to the rods, and what was there for me? Thank you very much. Alright, put her back. Try and get some sleep. Hopefully we'll have enough on him tonight.
It's morning now. Been fishing overnight. Dan had a £20 carp. I was a bit lazy. I just wanted to sleep and it was cold, so I didn't come out and help. But you just seen footage of that. We have had a busy morning. We've got all 4 rods back out again, fresh bags, ready to catch a fish. That's about it really. Nothing exciting has happened so far. It's been quite calm, but I've got my cup of tea and I've got my hot dogs at the ready, so I'm going to chow down on these and hopefully the carp do the same.
The bacon scene. This is the bacon scene. Jamie's rod's beeping.
Bubbles.
It's left rod.
Bubbles, darling.
Bubbles DeVille. We've got the bacon on. We're going to have these bagels with proper eggs. Jamie's rod's going crazy. It's the wind. Jamie ain't had a fish yet. He's struggling. Here we're going to have bacon, egg, cheese bagels, and they're going to be gorgeous. So we're all clipped up at 14 half rod lengths, so 6 fur. This is going to go right over to the island. It's a boilie with 1 squid boilie and 1 garlic boilie crushed up in a bag with a bit of salt, a little 4-inch fluorocarbon hook link with a curved mugger hook. Tension on the line as well so that the wind didn't take the line in the air and make a big bow. Leave that there for 5 minutes just to let the line sink, and then put in a bit of the slack and put the bobbin on. Wait. Right, here's an update. It's 20 to 7. You haven't had any fish all day, neither of us. We've both recast a couple of times now, mostly using boilies. Yeah, it's 20 to 7, so I'm going to redo both my rods now, ready for sleep. Put another 30 or 40 boilies over the both of them. But it's really quiet. I did have a liner about 2 hours ago on the right hand rod that's close to the island, so we left it expecting a bite, but nothing's happened yet. So we get these 2 rods in, put new bags on, new baits, and cast them back out there and sit and have a barbecue. Pork loin steaks, vintage cheddar burgers. So it's 3:30 in the morning. I've just been woken up by a couple of beeps on my rod. Must have been something like a liner. But still no fish so far. I'm still on a blank. Haven't caught fish in the last 2 sessions either, so I really need to get a fish. But I'm gonna get some sleep now. There's no point doing anything with the rods because, well, as you can hear, it's raining and it's 3:30. Really can't be bothered. Last day, 12 o'clock now. We've both got all 4 of our rods out, different tactics. I'm using tuna, pellets, krill liquid with 2 pellets on a silver plate on both rods. Jamie's using pop-ups.
Yeah, I switched to pop-ups because there's a layer of silt at the bottom of the lake. I just want to stay clear of that so it keeps my bait fresh and presented well. So I've cast 2 of them out with the same stick mix that I've been using. One of them is squid and the other is garlic. Squid pop-up and then the garlic, oh sorry, tuna pop-up, isn't it?
Tuna, yeah.
There's a pink tuna pop-up and then the garlic pop-up on there, both 16mm. Hopefully it does the business today, and hopefully it stops raining soon.
5 o'clock now, in our last couple of hours. We've caught one fish between us. We have both fished well. It's been windy. There's no excuses really. We should have had them out. They've been jumping over us. Maybe we'll come back and give it another go here. Maybe we'll try somewhere else. I think we'll try somewhere else next time. But it has been nice. We've had good food. We've had a laugh. So, yeah, no, it's been nice. Jamie's rod will go now. This is we're recording.
Hopefully.
But, yeah, we'll see what happens next time.
On Friday evening, nobody has caught a fish but Dan, so well done to him. But I've just not even had a nibble. I don't know what's up with it. So if it's something we're doing wrong, but we've been fishing perfectly the whole time, being active. Hopefully next time we come down here, maybe we'll fish on next lake. Maybe I'll take over where we've had that before. But this ends it for now. Hit the subscribe button, like our page, and visit us at kingofthefish.com. Thanks for watching.
Already